Are you looking to improve the watering capabilities of your golf course irrigation system and have more control? When it comes to the repair and refabrication of your golf course irrigation system, no other national resource has the vast product inventory and technical experience of Turf Control. We are your turf source for restoring your irrigation system with dependable replacements to increase your irrigation system quality control. In 2013, Turf Control started in Arizona with a mission to offer you a more fairly priced option in the golf irrigation world: repair and refabrication instead of retail replacement.
Once we make sure your heads are properly working, we carefully package them and ship them to you. All of this process is warranted with a full 1-year guarantee to assure your satisfaction.
Turf Control is dedicated to making sure that every part and electrical portion of your irrigation system works in a like-new condition. Our commitment to electronics excellence starts with a careful cleaning of your irrigation system boards and a thorough repair down to the microscopic level. After we repair each board, they are accurately quality control tested. Once they have passed our testing procedures, they are covered with conformal coating to ensure the durability out on the golf course.
When you demand the best for your golf course's irrigation system, count on the expert refabrication and repair technicians of Turf Control to rescue your faulty system. You have our guarantee to provide you a trusted alternative to expensive irrigation equipment.